Okay, we are out here in Jean, Nevada today. This is the old terrible Herbst. Actually, it was called the Gold Strike all through probably the 80s, 90s, 2000s. Terrible Herbst bought this place. Unfortunately, they're going to demo this and they're going to put buildings up right here. The high-speed train's going to run through here at some point. There's going to be tilt-up buildings and all kinds of stuff out here. This will be under construction in the next 5 years. But these statues that are right here behind me are very historical. They've been around Las Vegas since 1954. They were downtown on Fremont Street. They have tons of history. These statues are going to be moved to Goodsprings, which is a very historical town. It's got a lot of history. Known for the Pioneer Saloon, which is one of the, well, it is technically the oldest bar in Clark County. They have the oldest school in Clark County. I personally have some connections to this town. I love it. It's such a cool place to be. And the president of the Historical Society, Steve Fleming, decided to get a hold of these statues and have them moved out there. So one of them is going to be placed in front of the bar, and we don't know what the other one's going to do yet, but one of them will be right in front of the bar. So when you pull into Goodsprings, you'll see these historical statues that will be sitting right out front. At some point, it'd be cool to get the arms working again so it actually moves, so it looks like it's panning for gold. So cool. I love it. The tricky thing today is we got to load this up on the trailer with the Bobcat. We got to take a 12-foot statue with a 3-foot trailer through a 15-foot, 9-inch bridge. So if we make it, it's going to be like that. So that'll be the challenge today. But we're going to get loading this up, and then we'll see you on the road. WelderUp. WelderUp. It's gonna WelderUp. So we built these little platforms to stabilize the little miners. These are very historical. These were down on Fremont Street in 1954. Then they were out by the Hoover Dam, and then they were moved over here in the 80s. Been around for a long time. It's pretty cool to be able to mess around with this history of Southern Nevada. Anyway, I want to make sure that we built these little pallets. I'm gonna weld a leg from there down and make them stable, so when I need to move them out in Goodsprings in the little town they're going to, it'll be easy to move them, easy to tie them down. I want to be very careful with these. They're super old. Really cool to be able to mess with some history like this here in Southern Nevada today. Pretty badass. Here's the other one ready to go. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna put them on the trailer, try to make them through a 15-9 bridge. We'll see. We are now about to get the second statue in position, welded onto its permanent foundation for a while. Easy to move solution. Well, here they are, loaded up and ready to go. Heading Goodsprings, hoping we make it under the bridge. We should have about 6 inches, I think, to make it. Yeah, because I was thinking I'd try to go in center, but I want to go center of the bridge. All right, good, that truck's moving.
So far, so good. But slow. Yeah, you're clear. You're clear. Way clear.
How's that power line looking?
You look good so far, from what I can tell here.
There?
Yeah, you're clear.
Clear?
Clear. Yeah, way clear.
Alright, well, okay. We're gonna pull up to the, I'm gonna go over to that lot. We'll unload them over there. Okay, so we finally got these statues moved to Goodsprings, but I want to give you a little historical background on these statues. In 1954, they were installed on the Lucky Strike Casino, or club they called it, on Fremont Street, 1954. And they sat up on top of the casino on the roof, and these actually used to work. Like there's a motor inside of these, and it made it look like he was panning for gold, both of them, the two of them. In the 1960s, they wound up moving them to Boulder City. They sat up there by the dam at a different location. Then, again, they were moved in like 1990 to Gene at the Gold Strike. They sat there for years, and the Gold Strike got bought up by the Terribles here, a local guys in town that have a bunch of gas stations and off-road trucks. Anyway, those guys bought the casino, and they're going to tear it down because they're going to put buildings there at some point. But Steve Fleming is the president of our historical society here in Goodsprings, and got wind that these were over there and asked me if I could help him move them out here to Goodsprings, which I was more than excited to move them out here because they are already historical of Las Vegas and the area. There's no better place that these statues should be sitting than this old mining town up here in Goodsprings. I didn't have to move them far. Gene's about 7 or 8 miles from here, so had to rig up structure underneath them so we could get them onto a structure so I could tie them down and get them here. One of my biggest fears is on the trailer, on the back, going underneath the bridge, am I gonna make it? I made it perfectly fine. But we got one here at the Pioneer Saloon, which looks awesome. So right when you're coming into town, you're not only seeing these historical figure of a miner, but it's sitting at a historical bar that's here in Southern Nevada that's unbelievably awesome. So I think they look really good in this town. This one here, we just stuck over here at Steve Fleming's right now because we're gonna wait to see where we want to put the next one. But the one at the Pioneer looks great out there right now. The history of them is great. Being a native of Las Vegas, being born in Las Vegas, I just love anything that was Las Vegas bound. This was actually built by Yesco Signs. I believe they were the ones installing them in 1954, and I'm assuming they're the ones that put them together. Yesco is a huge historical landmark here in Las Vegas of all the signage you see all over Las Vegas. So most of the signs you see was a lot of the Yesco. That casino sign in my shop that I have is actually a Yesco sign too, and it will be out here. That one came from Searchlight, and it will be here in Goodsprings at some point. This will be here in Goodsprings. So a lot of the Nevada history, the cool stuff, will be back in this town as I start to restore my little piece of property here. But super excited to have them. I hope you guys enjoy this video and how they were moved and the history of them. I'm excited. Next time you're in town, stop by the Pioneer Saloon, check them out, and see the statue.